Hi, I'm Monica Davis. In this video, I'm going to talk about why you should manage your own publicity as a small business owner. My goal is to help you handle it on your own. So stay tuned to learn how managing your own publicity can benefit you as a small business owner. Early on in business, when significant growth is beginning to occur, business owners may find it impossible to carry out marketing activities themselves. However, until then, every business owner should manage their own publicity. When you're building your image, it is essential that you are the one booking the interviews, making connections, and making things happen, because in the beginning, every detail matters in developing what will be your public image. You don't want to hand off that essential process to someone else in the very beginning. Taking charge of your public image and controlling your own media strategy might seem intimidating at first, but at the end of the day, no one knows your business like you do. Journalists and reporters like to hear from entrepreneurs, and this also gives you the opportunity to build relationships with them directly, which can lead to ongoing media exposure and many other opportunities. Being in charge of your own publicity comes with some great benefits that a person on the outside of your company just can't touch. Here are 2 reasons why you should publicize your business yourself. First, you stay connected to your audience. When you are beginning to establish a connection with your market using the media, you need to be front and center. While your marketing team and publicists may come and go, you are the constant in your business, and your audience needs to know who you are. You know who you serve better than anyone. So it's absolutely imperative that you prioritize your relationship with them, not just a specific image you're crafting for yourself. This must be the foundation of all of your marketing. Another important benefit is that you also have complete control of your media strategy. Many people think handing their publicity strategy over to a PR firm will reduce their stress because it's one less thing they have to do. Unfortunately, it's really just swapping one type of stress for another that also costs a lot of money. No matter how good your publicist is, they aren't you. And you don't want to give up control during the early stages of your business. By putting someone else in control of your appearances, your messages, and your promotions, you risk losing touch with your core why and allow your image to shift in a direction you never intended it to go. When you begin building your public image and growing your company, maintaining control of your own publicity is key. Create a strategy that is uniquely suitable for you and your business, and make adjustments as you progress. Well, thanks for watching. If you like the information in this video and you want to receive information on how to jumpstart your business, as well as gain access to more publicity tips, along with proven business tips, advice, and resources, then click the link below this video. Until next time, make it a great day.